Hello guys, this is Forum and welcome to FMA makeup tutorials. I am up with a new video here. Guys, welcome to 2018. I hope you all have great plans for 2018 and of course, who doesn't have resolutions? I wanna know what are your resolutions for this new year? Please do leave your comment in the comment section below.
Like my New Year's resolution would be, as I'm a girl, of course, I want to lose weight.
So this video is for all the girls who wanna get glam when you wanna go to your work. I'm sure that you all wanna look amazing when you're working, but you don't wanna look that dunked in makeup kind of a look. So for me, when it comes to a business meeting or a formal look, I always like to keep my eyelashes very long but not fake for sure. Just a heavy coat of mascara is the key to go, and I like to smudge out my eyeliner. So if you feel that this look is really good for your office look, please keep on watching. First, I'll be taking this Indianwood primer MAC paint pot and applying it on my eyelid only using this beautiful cool neutral palette from MAC. I'm using the shade Blackberry to just line my crease, and then I'll be taking a flat brush and picking up the color Sun Tweeked and After Dusk just to pat it on the entire lid because I want to keep this look glowy and very simple. After taking this beautiful Essence long lasting eye pencil, I am lining my lower lash line and taking this black dyed in Stalactite color, I am just smudging out my lower lash line with a pointed brush. This is the Maybelline gel liner I am using to just tight line very carefully and smudging it all over again to just give it a smoky effect and avoid any stark liners to be seen. Taking this shade called Silver Fog, I am lightening my inner corner and brow bone, and MAC Hot and Naughty mascara goes right on my eyelashes many times because I want to look very gorgeous with long lashes without looking fake. So a very heavy coat of mascara, and Stalactite again goes to my eyebrows and filling it all up and setting it with the Essence eyebrow gel. So I'm keeping the eyebrows super natural as I don't want my too much of attention on the eyebrows because the makeup has to be light when you go for office work. And here goes the color corrector from LA Cosmetics in the shade Orange, and over that I apply a yellow corrector to hide the orange again. You can skip this step always if you don't have too much of dark circles or if you don't want too much of layers on your skin. That's completely fine. I like to do it personally, so I always go for this. It makes me conscious, so I have to do this step. After applying this, I am going to apply a strobe from MAC Cosmetics. This gives a very beautiful sheen to the entire face, and then your face is highlighted so naturally that you don't need an extra highlighter, because putting on highlighter on daily basis to office, I don't think it's a good idea. So better to use a strobe. And NC37 is my to-go base always, and here is the twist. I use Johnson's baby oil to lighten my base. This baby oil is the magic ingredient of the entire office look. This gives you a perfect very thin layer on your face and you don't look dunked in makeup. And this is the stippling brush which I'm using to just soak in all the oil and the base in my skin to give it a perfect beautiful very thin layer on the entire face. And I'm setting it with NC40 MAC Studio Fix on the entire face. I'll apply this so that all the excess oil is soaked but the shine and the sheen does not go off. And this shade from MAC again I'll use to fill in the hollows of my cheek and give it a beautiful contour. It goes on to my nose as well. And this is MAC Warm Soul blush. This will act as a highlighter and a blush, so then I don't need to put up an highlighter again. And yes girls, here you go. We will go to my lip, and I'm lining my lip with a pink shade and using this beautiful shade from Sephora, and it is a cream lip stain in the color Nude Blush. It has pink and nude, both the tones, and it makes me look very cute. That's it guys. Zoom zoom. Yes guys, this is it. This is my final look. I hope that you guys like this look, and if you like it, please like, share and comment. If you don't have too much of time to do all this eyeshadow thing, you can always just go for a smudged liner, a dark mascara and a lower lash line with some eyebrows. I had time, I wanted to do some makeup. I wanted you all guys to know what kind of makeup I feel I should have when I go to my office. I feel this is the apt makeup for you guys. This makes me feel glam as well as confident, but I don't feel that I'm too much dunked in makeup. So let me know, how do you feel about this look? And please share it with your friends guys. I really want you all to share it with all your friends who needs makeup tips, and I hope that I help them in their makeup routine and they help me to build my channel up. If you try any of my looks, please don't forget to tag me on Instagram. My Instagram account link is below in the description box. Also, one more thing I would like to tell you all guys, that I write a lot of things in the description box about the products I use. I hope that you're using those things as well for your knowledge and for your references. If you have any questions about any products, you can always feel free to ask me. I would always love to answer them all.